In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an incredibly powerful tool designed to enhance productivity by integrating seamlessly with your daily tasks. Whether you're working on documents, crunching numbers in spreadsheets, or managing your inbox, Copilot is here to assist you. Let's start by opening Copilot. If you're unfamiliar with it, you can find it within your Microsoft Office applications, depending on your subscription. Simply launch any Microsoft Office app and look for the Copilot icon, usually found in the menu bar. Click on it to open. Once you have Copilot open, you'll need to log into your account. This step is quite straightforward. Just enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're already logged into your Microsoft account on your device, Copilot might skip this step, keeping things simple and efficient. Next, it's time to create a new chat. Copilot operates through an engaging chat interface, making it intuitive and easy to use. Just click on the option to start a new conversation. This is your space to interact with Copilot and tell it exactly what you need assistance with. Now, in your new chat, you'll want to type your prompt. A prompt is the command or question you want Copilot to respond to. Be clear and concise in what you ask. For example, if you need help with data analysis, you could type, "Show me how to create a chart from this data." The better you articulate your needs, the more effectively Copilot can assist you. One of the most powerful features of Copilot is its ability to summarize text or entire documents. This feature is perfect when you're pressed for time or sifting through substantial amounts of text. Just enter a command like "summarize this document" and watch as Copilot distills the essential points for you, saving you both time and effort. Copilot can also suggest formulas and generate pivot tables in Excel. This is especially useful if you work with data regularly. All you have to do is ask Copilot something like, "How do I calculate the sum for this range?" or "Generate a pivot table for this data." Copilot will guide you through the process step by step, simplifying complex tasks into manageable actions. Lastly, don't underestimate Copilot's capabilities when it comes to handling emails, meetings, and even web browsing. With Copilot's integration into Outlook, for instance, it can draft emails, organize meeting logistics, or even browse the web to bring back relevant information you might need for your projects. And there you have it. Using Microsoft Copilot can transform the way you work, bringing efficiency and ease to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in making the most out of Microsoft Copilot.